Hello guys, hello, good morning everyone. So ito tayo guys, nagpa-inom-inom pa ako ng ano. Kumusta kayo dyan guys? Kumusta ang morning nyo? So I hope your morning is great and good din dyan guys. So kain muna tayo guys. Ito ba ako guys? Medyo na-late ako guys no, kasi medyo wala ako sa mood. So sige lang, laban pa rin ang kinabuhi. Kumusta kayo dyan guys? Yes.
Ma'am, siyo po ma'am.
Hindi lang po. Kala ko customer show pa daw. So guys, yun ang update natin no. So yun. Nagkape pa ako. So guys, I hope na nakapagkape na din kayo dyan. I'm sure kasi late na ako guys no. So yun, ito pa ako guys. Nag-coffee pa. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and keep safe everyone. God bless us. Tayo guys no, kasi medyo wala akong gana. Medyo wala tayo sa mood talaga guys. So diba parang ganyan talaga ang life natin. So no, may kanya-kanya tayong mga stress or something, mga problem din no. Meron din natin maiwasan minsan na magdating sa atin. So kain tayo guys. Hindi natin maiwasan ang mga times. So ganun. So yun guys, ang update natin. Medyo stress ang Inday Joan nyo. Stressing. Charis. Kain tayo. Coffee tayo guys. Have a good day everyone.
Hello guys, andito kami ni Miming. Oh, Miming so sweet. Thank you so much, Ming. Thank you. Good afternoon. With Miming. Good afternoon. So Miming so sweet today, guys. Give time to me. Thank you, Ming.
So hello guys, wag niyo napansinin ang mata ko guys no. So medyo may eye bag tayo today. So I think only Miming loves me forever. Thank you so much Ming. Salamat sa love mo Ming. Thank you so much Ming. Thank you for your love Ming. Do you love me Ming? I think only you love me Ming. Cute.